Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you something truly magical, something that proves beauty can rise from the simplest oldest thing. We are taking an old forgotten tin water bucket, perhaps one that has shines, rust and air of stories behind it, and turning into an elegant sparkling Christmas decoration. Let's begin. Search around your home, storeroom, rooftop, or even an old corner of your courtyard. Find an old tin bucket that looks like it has lost its purpose. Don't worry about dent or rust. That is exactly what makes the craft beautiful. As you hold the bucket, just imagine how many times it was used, how many times hands touch it, how many seasons it saw. Today we are give it a new life. Before we decoration, let me take you into a little story. Many years ago, in a snowy little town, lived a boy named Ivan. Ivan did not have any toys or decoration for Christmas, but he had one thing, an old metal bucket. They belonged to his grandmother. She used to say, Ivan, anything has value even when the world forget it. After she passed away, the bucket was the only thing he had left from her. Now let's make work on our bucket. First, clean it gently. You don't need to make it shiny, just remove dust so the decoration sit well. I will show you rustic jute farmhouse theme today. Wrap some jute rope around the top rim, secure it with glue. Look how instantly it transforms, warm, cozy, and natural. That winter, Ivan wanted to decorate a little Christmas corner for his mother. He could not buy anything, but he remembered the bucket. He cleaned it just like we did. He whispered, Grandmother, I hope this works. And with whatever he found outdoor pine cone sticks, leaves, he created his very first Christmas decoration. Now let's decorate our put a small LED string light inside the bucket and fake snow cotton or white fabric to create a glowing house. Piece of few pine cones, jewel flowers, cinnamon sticks, or small Christmas ornaments. You can make it a glowing Christmas lantern, a mini Christmas tree pot, a rustic centerpiece for a dining table, a Christmas porch decoration, a winter style flower arrangement, and a small wooden tag that says Merry Christmas, Joy or Blessing. Let the bucket shine the way it never has before. When Ivan finished decorating his bucket, he placed it on the window, soft light glowing through it, and for the first time in months, his home felt warm again. His mother sighed, and tears filled her eyes. She hugged Ivan and said, This is the most beautiful Christmas decoration I have ever seen because it came from the heart, and that Christmas they did not need anything more. Now look at your own creation. This bucket was once forgotten, but today it's glowing with life again. You can place it in your living room, on a shelf, or your entire porch, or even outside with firelights wrapped around it. It's bring charm, warmth, and a story with it. And this is the magic of Christmas, not expensive thing, but the love, effort, and creativity we put into them. Just like one, you to have turned something simple into something extraordinary. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like the video, like the story. I'm sure you like the video. If you like, so share the story with your friends and family, and must post your valuable comments if you are new. So please also subscribe and visit my channel. There is lots of amazing and beautiful homemade craft tutorials. You can easily apply these all design on your upcoming Christmas event. These all design is very simple, very interesting, and very beautiful. You can decorate your every corner on your home. Don't need to buy any expensive thing, just upcycling your unused material. Most of design totally budget friendly, eco friendly, safe to your world, safe to your planet. As I already stated, thanks for your lovely support, your kind attention. I really need your support, so keep watching my channel, keep supporting me. Have a very wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy with your friends, with your family, your kids. Keep watching my channel. Thanks for your lovely support. Post your valuable comments, your suggestions. I'm working on it and upload my next video according to your suggestion, your thoughts. So must post your comments. God bless you all. Take care. Goodbye.